right, so the Jamaican Women in Coffee, JaWic, mandate is to recognize women's contribution to the industry and to empower their future. Joining us this morning, JaWic's president and co-founder, Andrea Johnson, with her vice president, Marsha Valentine. Ladies, good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here to brew up some conversation this morning. A little bit about JaWic, if you would, Andrea. Tell us about the organization.
Sure. So JaWic is Jamaican Women in Coffee. We are the local chapter of the global organization of the International Women Coffee Alliance. So there are actually chapters in 24 other producing countries in the world.
Okay.
And we came into fruition of April 2019.
Okay. Mission? What's the mission there, actually?
Our mission, our mission is to empower women in coffee.
Just so interesting. So why women in coffee versus men in coffee? What's the disparity and why is there a separate organization? And is that a question you get a lot?
It is a question we get a lot. You know, there aren't really any numbers around women in coffee in Jamaica. We know that globally about 70% of women are involved in the processing and picking of coffee. However, most of them are not owners or, you know, have a say. So we felt that we wanted to connect and empower the women that we know in the coffee industry to help empower the coffee industry in general.
Yeah. So anecdotally, since you formed, what have you found in Jamaica as far as those numbers go? Are there many women who are heading up?
Well, we know, according to JACRA and JCEA, which is the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, of approximately 4,100 registered coffee farmers in the Blue Mountains, about 23% of them are actually women.
4,100 is so many coffee farmers in Blue Mountain?
But that dropped from about 80,000.
Yeah.
Yes, that number has dropped over the years. But
Because of the issues with pricing
and markets.
What? Wow. So about 1/5 of those numbers are women.
Yeah.
That we know of.
That you know of.
Yes.
Okay, and so you're essentially reaching out to working with those women to do what exactly?
Sure. So we have identified 5 initiatives that we feel can help, empower women in the coffee vertical most effectively. The first is the field survey, and that is basically allowing us to understand who are the women in coffee so we can serve them efficiently. You know, we always hear about giving out fertilizer to help farmers, but clearly that's not enough and that's not working.
Right.
So our first step is to, which we've already started last year, and we were invited to present that information at International Coffee Week in Brazil, which is the first time that information has gotten out there.
Fantastic.
To understand who are the women. The next step, improving the quality and sustainability. So, you know, Marsha is heading up the quality initiative, and the sustainability initiative is headed up by Janelle Tomlinson, one of our board members. And basically, quality and sustainability, maybe you can speak to that a little bit.
Yes, so the quality of Jamaican coffee has deteriorated over the years. And to be honest, it's no fault of the farmers. We have climate change, we have the markets.
Right.
And our intention is once we find out who these women are, we'll educate them on the best practices to ensure that their farming practices are sustainable to get that best quality cup. So everything works hand in hand, really, the quality and the sustainability. And it's not just sustainability in the coffee production, it's their financial sustainability.
Of course.
So
you
we're
want a product
touching,
that is always in demand.
yes,
Yeah.
we're touching every aspect of it because we realize these women, they really want to know, they really want to learn, and they don't even know. The average farmer does not know how their coffee tastes. And that's a big issue. If you don't know what you're supplying, how can you know how to improve it?
Right.
And once we find out who these women are, it's not just farmers, it's the farmers, it's the pickers, it's the processors, it's the baristas, everyone. Once we find out who these women are, we'll educate them on the best practices and show them that this is what the world is looking for.
Yeah, well, as one of the only barista trainers on the island, you can speak definitively to that. You spoke of 2 initiatives. We know there are 3 more, but I just got the wrap up. I know you are having an event called Brewing Hope in March to try and assist with the work that you guys are doing in this area. So there's a flyer. Give us the information, Andrea, and then we have to go.
So March 22nd, we're hosting our inaugural brunch event. It'll be at Creighton Estate catered by Tootsie K Catering, Gabby Murdoch doing live painting. We'll have board members there, so please, sponsors, donors, help support our event. Feel free to reach out to me directly at 562-7934 or email at andrea@jawic.org.
Yeah, Brewing Hope. Love the name of it. March 22.
Yes.
And if there are folks who are watching who want tickets, who want to support, or who are female coffee farmers who want to get in touch with you guys, then this is how they're doing, right?
Yeah, sure.
JaWic Coffee.
Reach out to
on
Instagram.
And that's a website.
Exactly.
Right there. Fantastic. Boy, so many organizations around the place, and we don't know, and they're doing such great work, especially for women. Great to highlight you guys on a Girl Power
Thank you
Tuesday.
so much
Thank
for
you for
having
being
us.
here.
Thanks for having us.
JaWic's President and co-founder Andrea Johnson and Vice President Marshallee Valentine. Coming up next, we discuss safety. How proactive are we in Jamaica with regard to safety? On the other side, soon come.